Hi. Today let's learn how to create a quote for a customer. Click on the Customer Care tab. Here we can either search for the customer, or select the customer under the Recent Customer Search option. Now, click on Create Quote. We can see the quote number and by default, today's date along with the customer's name. Click on Add Items. Search for the item here. Select the item and enter the order quantity and the price. Once we click on Add and Continue, we can add another item. Or add item changes will add this particular item. As you can see, the item is added along with the quantity and the price. And also the tax amount. Now click Submit and you can see that the quote is created.